Hello, and welcome to this English listening practice. Today, I want to talk to you about a simple but powerful topic: time. Time is something we all have, but we often feel like we don't have enough of it. Some people say, "I'm too busy," while others say, "I don't know where all my time goes." But have you ever stopped and asked yourself, how do I really spend my time every day? Let's imagine a normal morning. You wake up, but instead of getting out of bed, you pick up your phone. You scroll through messages, watch a few videos, or check social media. 10 minutes pass, then 20, and before you know it, almost an hour is gone. This happens to many of us, and we don't even realize it. Now think about this. If you spend 1 hour every day doing something useful, like reading, learning English, exercising, or working on a new skill, you will spend more than 350 hours in a year improving yourself. That is almost 15 full days of progress. Isn't that amazing? But if we spend 1 hour every day doing nothing important, just scrolling or wasting time, then we also lose more than 350 hours every year. The time is the same. The difference is how we use it. Time is like money, but even more valuable. If you lose money, you can earn it again. But if you lose time, you can never get it back. That is why people say time is precious. So, how can we use our time better? Here are 3 simple ideas. First, make a small plan every morning. You don't need a long schedule. Just write 3 things you want to finish today. When your mind is clear, your day becomes easier. Second, do one thing at a time. Many people try to multitask. They study while checking messages, or they work while watching videos, but this only makes our brain tired. If you focus on one thing, you finish faster and do better. Third, take small breaks. Rest is not wasting time. Rest helps your mind stay fresh. After working or studying for 25 or 30 minutes, take a short break. Get some water, stretch your body, and then start again. At the end of the day, ask yourself one simple question. Did I use my time well today? If the answer is yes, you can go to sleep with peace in your heart. If the answer is no, don't feel sad. Tomorrow is a new chance. Remember, time doesn't run fast or slow. Time always moves at the same speed. It's our choices that make time feel meaningful or wasted. Thank you for listening. I hope this helped you understand the value of time. Keep learning, keep growing, and use your time wisely. See you in the next lesson.